So this is, I bought this in Demanza, and as you can see, this is my hand, and I talk in this video. So let's unbox this, shall we? Since this is gonna be my first time unbox. It's like my first unboxing video. You can see me struggling speaking. So I muted this clip because I don't know what's the reason. So I decided to speedrun this unbox video. And yes, watch me struggle a lot. Not a lot. How to puzzle it. Hooray! As I'm puzzling those three brothers, you could see I struggled while it comes to puzzling. Yeah, call my brain dumb. Exactly. As you may notice, the part of the video, how did it get the extra part? This extra part, though. You see this? I think it's meant to be Iceberg's leg, right? Don't you think? Or did I puzzle the wrong way? Oh, why they add that extra part? What do you think, guys? And more secrets. And thing is, I got secret, which happens to be this one. As you can see, I got the 3. So recently, and I wonder why the extra part's still there on his Iceberg's leg. I keep it for a while, and okay, I got this. It's a secret. That's why my voice sounds like monotone or something. And oh, his leg. It's like fell out. Wait, let me fix one. Let me fix it. Booyah! Wait lang. I bit my phone. This is what it looks like. Also, it's a magnet, as you can see. It's a magnet, like literal magnet. But you can put it in your fridge if you want. So that's something for speed unboxing video because that extra